All right, welcome everybody to the XE Boys channel. Today, we're gonna go on a long run for our first video, trying to get some cool shots and just trying to get a little workout in during this quarantine.
Shooting for about 5 miles. Gonna go up some sick tracks or trails in our local park, and we'll see where it takes us.
Let's get it. Yes, sir. Where do you want to go? I used my dad's credit card.
Oh yeah.
And happened, dog.
So, we're running down the street, minding our own business. And these two, well, it was like a boxer and something else. These two dogs start barking at us. We're like, oh God, they're gonna chase us. So we second guessed ourselves and went back. And I was like, all right, I think they're fenced in. Let's go back. And then one dog went behind a tree, so I was like, oh no, we're done.
Yeah.
And then we ran right by it, and then we're good.
We're good.
Fenced.
We're good. All right, so we just got done with our run. We took little breaks in between. Today we just wanted to go out for a little chill run and just get outside, did some trails, looked around at some cool sights at the park. We did probably a little under 5 miles, maybe 5 miles. My phone is dead, so I can't show you, but last time we checked, we were at 4.2.
Yeah, 4.2 around there.
4.2, and then we ran around the graveyard a little bit. Now we're back. Hopefully we captured some cool stuff, and you can do the outro.
All right, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and thanks for watching.
Give us some ideas to do.
We've got pretty great minds.
Yes,
so.
sir. Yes, sir.
All right, thanks for watching.
Peace.